Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So that feels really weird to say. I don't know why, because I've been practicing saying that in the mirror for actually like years, and I know for a fact I'm not the only one that does that. Like just when you're doing your makeup or brushing your teeth or anytime I'm in front of a mirror, actually I'm just like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's a common thing. Welcome, make yourselves at home, please stay, subscribe, follow me on other socials. Yeah, so today we're going to be doing a little Bobe fashion haul. There are just 4 pieces in here, but I'll also be showing you how I would style them. So this top is also from there. It's so cute, so many different ways you can wear it. I love it. So I also have a discount code for you, so I will put it below. I will also leave it in the caption so that you guys can use it. You can get 15% off of your whole order anytime, every time you use it. It's not like a one-time thing, but currently I have like a Zoom meeting outfit, cute top, sweatpants, because you can't see. So yeah, so let's just pull the first thing out of here. So the first thing is, I'm so excited for this wear. So should that whole like checkboard, check print, I don't even know if you can hear me over that, but the whole check print is like a big thing, especially on Pinterest right now. So I just got this little green. I love green, by the way. I love green. Green's also a really big thing on Pinterest right now. So I got this little green checked cardigan kind of thingy. I got it in a extra large or a large because I wanted it to have like an oversized fit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that I got and then I'll show you how I would style them. Okay, second thing we're pulling out of this bag is, ooh, I love this. I know a lot of people are gonna like this one. This is very like cute cottage core. So it's like this little tank top, and it kind of looks like a corset top, but it's like a really soft material and there's no wire in it, so it's really cute. Yeah, I think these are really cute for like picnics or just spending the day outside. So yeah, on to the next thing. Next is, I'm so happy but so upset about this at the same time. So I bought this dress and I really wanted it in like a beige nude color, but little me ordered it in black and I only realized the day before it came, so there's nothing I could do about it. By the way, a lot of people ask me when I post Bobe stuff on Instagram, a lot of people ask me, why did that thing just invert? A lot of people ask me how long the shipping takes and if you pay customs, but you don't pay customs and the shipping fee is only 100 Rand like normal Aeromax shipping fee, and it takes 10 to 15 days. Sometimes it's really quick. One time I got my order in like 5 days. But anyway, this dress might be a little short. I have very long legs. So it's like a ribbed material. It's like a little mini dress and it has a kind of like a knot thing at the front here. And then it also comes with like a little top thingy, just a thing that goes over your arms. I really love that. I love it when long sleeve things like hang over my hands. I don't know why. My mom gets so annoyed with me because my sleeves are always like really dirty because I always have it hanging over my hands. But yeah, I think this would be really cute for like a date night or just like a girls night or anything. And then the last thing, I think, yeah, this is the last thing. This is the thing that I was most excited about. I really love fun patterns and those like, yeah, those prints that you don't really know what it is, and I love these fun colors. So I got this little mini dress that I've seen so many times on Pinterest. Why is this thing inverting the whole time? Hello? No, I don't know. But I've seen it on Pinterest so many times. Just like a cute little mini dress. And I got this in a medium because the previous time I got a dress just like this and it was quite tight and I wanted to have like a loose flowy fit. But now I'm going to show you guys how I would style these pieces. Okay, so first up we have this little dress. Can we have a little commotion? But yeah, it's just a little black dress and it has like a knot kind of look over here, and then just this little thing, and then this is what it looks like at the back. So you can't really see my feet, but this is the kind of thing that I would style it with, just like these little strappy sandals. You can't see my feet, but this is what they look like. They like wrap around your ankles, super cute. I love this. 10 out of 10. The material's like super stretchy and it's really comfortable. So yeah, on to the next one. And this is the next one. I love it. I feel like I'm on a Pinterest board right now. Let me give you a little, this is the pattern, super cute. This is the back, just a normal slip dress. I think this is freaking adorable. And I would either, with this, I would either wear like these cute platform sandals for a casual look, or these like little kitten heels. Let me put one on each foot. Okay, this is with the sandal. I think this makes me feel like I'm on a Pinterest board. Really cute. And this is little kitten heel. I like both. I think I would go with the sandal generally, because this is more like a casual, let's go take Pinterest photos kind of vibe. Okay, this is freaking adorable. I feel like a milkmaid in a good way, crossed with like a cottagecore Pinterest model. I don't know, but I would just pair these with like a pair of Bermuda shorts. Really cute. And again, take a wild guess, these platform sandals. Let me put them on. Even if you guys can't see it, it's just, oh, this is such a vibe. How cute is this? I definitely wouldn't wear jewelry with it though. Every time I wear something with like a super open neck, I don't like to wear jewelry. But yeah, this is so cute. This is so comfortable, and it's like super stretchy. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay, and lastly we have this freaking adorable checked print like green sweater. I was kind of hoping that it would be a bit bigger because I wanted like a really oversized fit, but it's a tiny bit smaller than I thought it would be, but it's still nice. It's really cute. So I would just pair it. I have these like sage green flare leg bootleg pant thingies, and I would pair it with this. I think the greens go so cute together, and I would probably just like tuck in this little piece. That's adorable. That is adorable. And probably just like a pair of sneakers or something. But for this one I would give it like a 8 out of 10, only because it doesn't fit like I wanted it to fit. But either way, I really like it. If you can see that, like, how do YouTubers do that thing where it like focuses on the, nope. Okay, so that is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and please come again. I'm gonna try and post a new YouTube video every Wednesday. I'm gonna try my best, making no promises, but I'm gonna try my best. And again, for Bobe Fashion, you can use my code that I'm just gonna put down here. And I'm also going to leave it in the caption, then you can get 15% off of all of your orders. They have such nice things, like especially in South Africa. I don't know why, it's really hard to get, like, you know those clothes that you see on Pinterest? It's really hard to get them here. We don't really have them here. Why am I so out of breath? We don't really have them here, so they are my go-to shop to get these clothes. But thank you so much, guys. See you next Wednesday. I have a really exciting video for you then. I think that's like my best video idea I've ever had, and I'm so excited. Bye!